In this video, I'll be showing you how to get domain and hosting from FastComet. So to go to FastComet website, come to your browser URL and search for webhosting22.com/FC. All right. So I'm going to be dropping a link in the description of this video. Just come and type webhosting22.com/FC. And once you type that link, just search it. And once you search it, it's going to be taking you to the official FastComet website. And here you just scroll down and click on Start Now. Then it brings you to the plans page. So you can see FastComet has different hosting plans. We have the starter plan, we have the essential plan, we have the plus plan, and the extra plan. Now, there is no much difference from these plans. For this starter plan, you can get it for $2.24 per month, and you can get it for 1 year. You can see the features here. You design one website with it. You have 10 GB storage. You have 45 days money back guarantee. You have these advanced features. You can see everything here, and then you can see down here. Then for the essential package, you can get it for $2.99 per month. You can create a single website with it. Instead of the 10 GB, you have 20 gig storage here. Then when you come here to the plus plan, which is the best value, you can get it for $4.49 per month, and you can create unlimited websites with the plus plan. You can create unlimited website. And then on the extra, you can get this extra plan for $6.24 per month, and you can create unlimited websites here as well. And the storage here is 40 gig. All right, we have 40 gig storage, and then you can see the other features here. So in this particular tutorial, we are going to be making use of the starter plan. This is the one we are going to be getting. So I'll just come here, make sure it's starter. I'll come and click on get started. Then it brings me to the place where I can register a domain name for free. All right, so I'll just come here and type my domain as Meso Company. And then if I click here on the extension, you can see free domains with hosting. I can get these extensions here for free, but if I want to get these other ones down here, like the .com, .net, you can see the prices. .com is $13.95 per year. .net is $13.95 as well. .org is $12.95. So you can see the prices for all these domains currently. You can see all the domains and their prices. And if you want a custom domain, if you're not finding what you're looking for, you can contact support. You can contact the sales team, and they will help you with that. So for now, I'm going to be getting the Meso Company, and I'll just choose .online. And after selecting .online, this is going to be a free domain. If you have a domain already, you can just come here and choose this option and then proceed with your purchase. But I'll just choose mesocompany.online, and I'll click on use this domain. Then it brings me into this place. It just brings me in here to like complete my registration. So this is where I can create an account. If you are a new user, you can create an account here. If you're an existing customer, you can just sign in and buy it from here. So I'm a new user. All you need to do is to come here and you put your email here. Just come here and put your email. You put your email, you put a password, put the first name, the last name, just put in all your information here. And then when you scroll down to this place, you can see the product information. You can see the product information. So here you can see we have the shared hosting, FastComet. This is the starter plan. This is the one we chose. Then for the data center location, if you choose Milan, you'll be paying extra $2 because this is the nearest to you. So you have to pay $2, and this just makes your website very fast. But I'm not going to be choosing Milan. Another center that is very close to me, because I'm from Nigeria, so the center that is very close to me is Frankfurt. because I chatted support and they recommended this for me personally. So I'm going to be using Frankfurt so I can use it for free. I don't have to pay extra money. So I'll just choose Frankfurt, and you can see here the extra $2 has disappeared. This is free. The data center location is Frankfurt. Then for the period, it's 12 months. Make sure you choose 12 months here so you can have the discount. Then the hosting price is $2.24 per month. So you can see everything is $26.85. This is the total amount because the hosting plan is $2.24 per month. Then if you scroll down to the extras, you can see here we have domain privacy ID protection, which is $3.95 annually. So if you want, you can choose this, but for me, I'm going to remove this because I don't need it. So I'll just uncheck it. Then when you scroll down, you can see a summary of your order. Everything is $26.85. So this is a summary of your order, and all you now need to do is to come here and put in the card number, put in the expiry date, and put in the CVV. And once you're done doing that, you can check here to confirm that you agree with the terms of service and the privacy policy. And if you want to be receiving FastComet news and special offers in your email, you can come here and check it as well. So I have a hosting and domain with FastComet already. I'm not going to be getting it, but I believe if you've watched this video and you've gotten to this stage, just go ahead and put in your card number, put in the expiry date, the CVV, and click on place order. Now, if you have any issues at any point while doing anything here, just come here to the chat, click on the chat, and you can chat support from here. All you need to do is just to come here, put in your name, put in the email, the department. You can either choose sales if you're just getting it, you can choose the sales, or if it's a technical problem, you can choose technical. But since you're just trying to get domain and hosting, I highly advise you go with the sales. So you just click on sales, you choose it, you put in your phone number, and you put in your message, and I can guarantee you that their support is very fast. So they will route a specialist that will answer any concerns or any challenges you have while registering. Okay, so that is it for this one. So just go ahead and put it and place your order, and once you place your order, they'll send details to your email, and everything would be very easy for you from there. Now, sometimes when you place your order, they may display a message that due to some things you can't register the hosting from your location, you should contact support. So you don't need to panic. Or they may send you a message that your location has been compromised with scam or those kind of things. So you need to contact support and they'll get your hosting for you. So when you get that kind of message, you don't need to panic. Just come down and click on the chat or click on the link on that message to contact support. And once you contact support, support will help you get your domain in minutes. All right. Okay guys, so that's the process of getting domain and hosting from FastComet. Now the next thing, I'll be showing you how to access your dashboard once you've gotten your domain name and web hosting. So all I need to do is to come and log into my FastComet dashboard. So I'll just come here and search the website, and I'll come to client login and just log into my FastComet dashboard. So right now I have successfully logged into my FastComet dashboard, and you can see how the interface looks. Now when you log in here, we need to install WordPress on our domain. All right, we need to create a website, and the first thing is to install WordPress. So to install WordPress, you need to go to your Cpanel. And how do you access the Cpanel? You just need to scroll down here and you see this place, this CP, access Cpanel. So I'll just click here and they will ask for your password. I'll just choose my password and click on proceed. If it doesn't work, just see pop up blocked. So I'll just do this for the second time and I'm sure it's going to work. Then I click on proceed. So my cPanel has been successfully opened, and first thing is to install WordPress on my domain. So I'll just scroll down here and I'll look for Softaculous app installer. You can see we have Softaculous app installer here, or if you come down you can see WordPress. So whichever one you click would give you the same results. So let's just come to WordPress and I'll click on WordPress, and when it opens up for me I'll click on install, and here I can just see my domain name. Here I have my domain here. I'll come here and remove the in directory, that WP we have here. Make sure you remove it. Then come down, and for the username we have admin here. For the password you can put in your password, and then you can put in your email. So for me, I'll just come here and I'll write my username to be Mesu. For the password I can just write something. Let me just come here and put a password. So I just come and I put a strong password. You can see 100/100. And for the email I can put any email here. Let me just use this email, something like this here. Just put in my email, and I'll leave everything here to be the way it is. This place, make sure there is nothing here. Make sure you don't have anything in the directory. This space is empty. Then I will just scroll down and I'll click on install, and you can see checking the submitted data. So guys, WordPress has been successfully installed on my website, and now to access my WordPress dashboard I will just come and click on this place, and you can see that it now brings me to my WordPress dashboard where I can commence designing my website. So this is how you install WordPress on your website or on your domain. All right, so I'll come back to the cPanel. After installing WordPress, the next thing I want to show you is how to create a subdomain. All right, in case you want to create a subdomain and design another website from scratch, all you need to do is to come and click on CP to take you back to the control panel. Scroll down and look for the domain section, and when you come to the domain section, click on domains. Then when it opens up, click on create a new domain, and then it brings you here. So I'll just come here and make a subdomain, something like demo dot. Then you now put your domain name. So for me, my domain name is sonitextransportcompany.online. sonitextransportcompany.online. So this is my domain name, and if this thing is checked, make sure you uncheck it. Don't share document root, don't share it. So you can see this is it, and then I need to come here and click on submit. Alright, so you can see this message at the top here. It says success, you have successfully created the new demo.sonitextransportcompany.online domain with the root of, and then you can see this, and you can see that our subdomain has been created successfully. So we've been able to successfully create this subdomain, and after creating the subdomain, the next thing is to install WordPress on this subdomain. Okay, so to do that, I'll just come here and click on the FastComet logo, so it brings me back to my cPanel. Then I need to use the same process I used in installing WordPress. Just scroll down here, you would see WordPress. Click on WordPress, and when it opens up, click on install. And now when it brings you to the install, you can see that it's prompting the main domain name here, but we want to install it on the subdomain because we've already installed WordPress on the main domain. So just click here and choose the demo. All right, you need to come here and choose the demo. So I'll just come here and I'll get rid of the WP here. Then when you come here, you can see we have the username, so I can just come here and choose any username I want. In fact, let me leave it as admin. I'll come down here, and for the password, I just need to choose a strong password. So I'll come here and type in my password. So I just typed in a strong password, and you can see the password strength. Then we have the admin email, and you can see there is this default professional business mail that is here. If you have a business mail, you can just leave it and use your business mail. But if you don't have a business mail, just get rid of it and use any email you have, whether Gmail or Yahoo Mail or any one of your choice. So since I've not created a business email, I'll just come here and use my Gmail. So I'll just put in my email here. Then make sure you don't have anything in this directory. Make sure that this place is empty. Scroll down, you don't need to do anything again, and click on install. So you can see we've successfully installed WordPress on this subdomain. And to access our WordPress dashboard, just come here and click on this second link here. You know, we have two links here, the main website link, and here we have the other link that has the admin here, where we can log into WordPress. So I'll just come here and click on this second link. And when I click on the link, you can see that we have been successfully logged into WordPress on the subdomain. So that is how you create a subdomain and you install WordPress. Now you can create unlimited subdomains on this Cpanel. You can create unlimited subdomains from the Cpanel until it gets to the size of the hosting plan you chose. Remember, we chose the starter plan, and I think the size was 10 GB storage. The other one, we have the one for 20, we have the one for 30 and 50 and so on. So you can create as many subdomains as your plan can carry. All right, so now we've been able to successfully create a subdomain, and we have installed WordPress on the subdomain. Now the last and final thing I want us to look at is how to create a professional business mail. All right, and to create a professional business mail, I'll just come back to my Cpanel. I'll click on this CP to go to the Cpanel, and now you can see the first option here is email, and all I need to do is to click on email accounts. And when I click on email accounts, it just brings me here and shows me that this is the email workspace here. Now I can come here and click on create, and when I click on create, it shows me the domain. You see, I have this domain and I have this subdomain. I want to create this email from the main domain, so I'll choose this main domain here, and the username is James. So now we have James at sonitextransportcompany.online. So this is how the business mail is going to be looking. Then I come down here and they ask me for password. So I'll just come here and create a strong password here. So I've created my password, and you can see the password strength is 97, which is very strong. And then I need to come here and click on create. And now you can see that success, I have created this business mail. So now you can see that it has recorded it here, and I have one professional business mail in my Cpanel. All right, then to log into my email, all I need to do is to come here and click on check email. It will then open up your webmail for you. So this is your webmail, and here we can see that we can use this round cube to open our inbox. And to do that, I'll just come here and click on open. Then you can see that it has successfully opened up my email inbox. You can see, so this is round cube and this opened successfully. So here, if you want to send an email to someone, all you need to do is just to compose the email, and you just need to come here. You can see create a new message. When you click here, it will load up. You can see that it's loading up from here. Then when it opens up, you can see from james@sonitextransportcompany.online. This is the sender address. You can see my professional business mail. Then all you need to put here is to put in the recipient's email address. So it can be to a Gmail, it can be to a Yahoo mail, it can be to any kind of email at all. So you can just come here and put it. You put in your subject, and then you can now write the message here and click on send. And when somebody sends you a message, to access it, you just need to come to your inbox. So if you click here, it will just open up your inbox and new messages will appear here. Now you can have drafts here. You can see your sent messages, you can see junk, you can see any message you delete will be stored in the trash. So this is how this part works from here. Alright, so far we've been able to get our domain and hosting on FastComet. We've been able to install WordPress on the main domain. We also learned how to create a subdomain and how to install WordPress on our subdomain. And finally, I have taught you how to create a professional business mail and how to log into your professional business mail. All right, so that is how you log into your professional business mail. So you can see that here we have 5. We can create 5 professional business mails on this plan. We chose the starter plan, and you can create 5 professional business mails. And if you choose a higher plan, you can even create unlimited professional business mail. So this is it, guys, for this video. If you had value from this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so you always get notified when I drop future videos. Thank you guys for watching, and if at any point in this video you had any issues, any challenges, you can drop them in the comment section and I'll guide you on what to do. Thank you guys once more, and I'll see you in the next video.